We hit the streets, trails, and city corners with 5 of the best budget electric bikes of 2025. These aren't showroom reviews, we actually rode them. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or folding up for travel, these e-bikes deliver serious value without draining your wallet. Let's dive into the top performers we tested ourselves. The LECTRIC XP is the 4th-gen folding e-bike that's built for both fun and function. We tested the 750-watt motor version, and it handled hills and city streets like a champ. The torque sensor gave us smooth pedal assist, and the 85-mile range with the upgraded battery held up in real-world conditions. The hydraulic brakes were responsive, and the new TFT display was bright and easy to read. Foldability made it perfect for RV trips and tight storage. If you want a full-featured e-bike that folds, charges fast, and rides strong, this one's a steal. Check the description for product links and best prices. We found some serious deals on this folding beast. The NIU K100P surprised us with its comfort and control. It's technically a scooter-style e-bike, but the 600-watt peak motor and dual-spring suspension gave us a smooth ride across cobblestone and uneven paths. The 18-mile range was accurate in our tests, and the Bluetooth app let us customize speed modes, lock or unlock remotely, and monitor battery health. It's lightweight, folds easily, and feels perfect for short urban commutes. If you want smart features and a sleek design under $500, this one's hard to beat. Tap the description for product links. This one's built for city riders who want tech and comfort. We tried the Gotrax CTI commuter bike, and it's a solid entry-level option. The 350-watt motor gave us a smooth boost up to 20 miles per hour, and the pedal assist felt natural. The folding frame and lightweight build made it easy to carry and store, and the 25 to 30-mile range was consistent across multiple rides. The seat and handlebars were adjustable, and the ride felt stable even on light gravel. If you're new to e-bikes or want a reliable commuter without spending big, Gotrax delivers. Hit the description for product links and specs. This one's about a commuter-friendly budget hero. The Hiboy P7 gave us the best blend of power and comfort in the mid-range category. With a 500-watt motor, 800-watt peak, we hit speeds up to 25 miles per hour and climbed moderate hills with ease. The 15-amp-hour battery gave us up to 68 miles on pedal assist, and the lockable suspension made rough terrain feel smooth. The 27.5-inch tires and Shimano 7-speed gear system added versatility, and the frame felt solid and well-balanced. If you want a commuter that can double as a weekend trail bike, this one's got range, power, and comfort. Check the description for product links. This one's built for riders who want more without paying more. We rode the ANCHEER 500-watt across city streets and light trails, and it held up surprisingly well. The 750-watt peak motor gave us enough torque for moderate hills, and the 48-volt battery charged fast and lasted around 27 miles on throttle-only mode. The 27.5-inch wheels and lockable suspension fork made for a smooth ride, and the cruise control feature was a nice touch for longer stretches. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, easy to assemble, and perfect for beginners. Tap the description for product links. This one's a great first e-bike with real-world performance. We tested these bikes in real conditions, commutes, trails, hills, and everything in between. Whether you're looking for a folding ride, a tech-savvy commuter, or a trail-ready beast, there's an affordable option here that doesn't cut corners. Smash that like button, subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews, and check the description for all the product links and best deals we found. Ride smart, spend less.